Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another official Samsung case. This is the S Pen case. It actually comes with the S Pen on there. So if you're looking for the S Pen, look no further. I have one in yellow, and then this one is like an orange or pink looking color. I wanted to try out this case just for this phone because I really do like and did like the one for the Z Fold 5. So it shouldn't be any different here. I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon or Samsung directly. If you pick it up, it does help out the channel. But it does come with the pen in there. So if you're looking for a pen, you want the smaller version of it. And it's different colors on there too. You don't have to get the blue one, but it matches my phone. Nice and simple packaging from them. Let's see what you get in here. So nothing else is in there. You get their normal book. They had the same book in the other case that I got. I mean, who's going to sit there and read that, Samsung? Save the trees. So you have the front. You do have adhesive strips everywhere. Then you get some extra pen tips in here. So don't throw that away. Let's take this off. And then you have the pen. And it tells you how to get the pen out. And let's see if I'm getting trolled by the sticker. So you get the pen out by just sliding it, and now you have the pen. So this case is very lightweight. It doesn't feel like a heavy duty case. It's not a heavy duty case, but it carries your pen at all times. So if you're a big pen user, you want to pick up this case, and you can definitely do so. But it won't add bulk. It's not giving you all that drop protection you look for. But it should fit really well. And you have your pen. And it matches the blue really well too. So you just make sure you have it on there. And it snaps in place. Make sure the adhesive strips are on there. Make sure it's all on there. So you have your pen there. You do get camera protection, that not a lot, but you do get some. You do get lip protection all the way around it. And if the case will fit on there you go. You do get lip protection all the way around. No hinge protection, but I like how the camera cutout looks. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have a lot of room for your charging ports and your microphone down there. The volume rockers and power button are open and it's easy to press. Not really it doesn't get in the way. You can get to your edge panel. Everything lines up at the top. I'm gonna try to get this to fit better. There you go. You gotta make sure that you get these on here and press them down because sometimes they want to come back up. So, and then you have the side here. It also fits with my screen protector on there. And then bam, the pen is just there to use at all times. Now, when you lay it down, it doesn't really rock that much. Let's see, when you're opening it, rocks a little bit because of the pen. The one thing that people like about these cases is that when you do open it, doesn't block your covered display at all. So if you're using your cameras to do selfies, you can see the whole picture. I love the lip protection you get. I love the camera cutout, the protection. I love that you carry your pen anywhere you go, and it's not like a heavy duty case. This is not a heavy duty case at all. Doesn't feel like you really I mean, you have a case on there, but doesn't make it feel bad at all. And then one thing too, what I'm starting to do is, since I have my screen protector on, sometimes I don't even rock the front piece. I just take the front pieces off and just use the back. So that's an option that you can always do. Now with the other case, I was having a problem while it's charging, wasn't working. Let's see how this one does. And that one is charging. It is staying charged. So this one I can charge with no problem with this charger here. The main thing is actually staying on. You can see it there. It says 52 minutes till it's full. So you can wireless charge with the pen case. So I don't know what y'all think about it. Y'all let me know. I think it checks off a lot of boxes when you think about a case. I mean, I love the pen that you have. I think this one is like $80 or something, 70 bucks on their website. Could be a little bit higher, but it comes with the pen automatically in there, so you don't have to buy it separately. But if you want to pick it up, look in the description, support the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on both of the Z Fold6 and the Z Flip6. I have both phones. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.